when you click on the video, you didn't expect to do so much reading. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to find a video of Miss Gwendolyn Patton talking, or maybe find a video of someone talking about her life. It appears that this woman did so much for women's rights as well as voting rights. If you managed to make it to the end of the video, which means you read every single thing in the video about her life, let me know in the comments.